Hey guys, this video is gonna be me opening up to you guys. You know, do my subscribers and my viewers, you guys have made me feel so special, and I just want to be fully transparent because I've been dealing with a lot, and personally, I've been going through so much, and you guys don't know, but. Sorry. In this video, you guys are gonna see just me trying to open up and just be very transparent and let you guys see what I have to deal with behind the scenes. You know, what I have to deal with, and a lot of you guys may not even know, understand, or even see it, but I'm gonna show you guys, and you guys have really made my channel feel like a safe space for me. And I've been trying not to cry. Oh. Sorry, I'm a man. I am. It hurts sometimes, but please like and subscribe, and please enjoy and understand the video with where I'm coming from. All right, please don't judge me. Please don't judge me. I'm just having a weak moment. Enjoy the video.
Welcome to my channel, motherfucker.
What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. Started with 4. We rolling. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Wah.
Look at the black man in his natural environment. Look at him.
What is it?
I don't know.
1, 2, 3.
Woo! Oh,
Bah! Yeah! I'm scared.
Alright, let me tell you this. Alright, so that felt like, okay. I feel like I lost some words there. Number one, my whole backside of my body got a full massage, but at the same time, it felt like a pack of like 8 angry leprechauns was kicking the hell out of me. Dude, like, yo. That's on 3.
Can't be filming, sir. What did I tell you?
What she does?
Can't. Sorry, this is mine now. This is property LLC gang stuff. Watch out for little man. I'm gonna have to jack you up, boss man.
Dog, I love your energy, dog.
Hey, I must say, your viewers, if they don't know, you never ashy.
Oh yeah, no, you know what I mean? Juices and berries, you know what I'm saying?
Man, if I was a lady, I still wouldn't put you.
Y'all wanna know why I'm crying? Is because today is the day that my car goes away. I'm a man. My car is gonna be gone, and I'm not gonna see it. These are tears. I said these are tears. Yeah, I'm crying, okay? See, these are tears, okay? So I'm sad because my car is not gonna be here no more, but it's okay. It's okay. Because it's going to a good place. And we talked about this before, about how I need to do what I need to do to get my car where it needs to be, okay? So actually, these aren't sad tears, these are happy tears. I said these are happy tears. Yeah, these are happy tears, okay? And I'm still crying with happiness and joy. Okay, we get it. Hey, over here at the car show, I saw 2 stupid ass. Matter of fact,
where's that at? Where's she at?
1, 2. Give me the. Give me that. Come here. Give me the impact. I ended up going down to O'Reilly's and getting one of those. That looks. Why does everything just look so bad?
I'm over here minding my business. Oh my god. What?
Can I finish? Can I talk to my people? Can I finish?
I'll close my ears.
All right. I got a suction cup tool. I got a dent remover. Okay, there it is right there. I got a dent remover. Hey, look, man, I'm tired of everybody always calling me Big Back. I came for a donut, and Mindy negotiated them giving me a box.
You gotta feed your stomachs.
My stomachs?
There's 12 donuts, one for each of your stomachs.
I got a text from the director of marketing. He's like, don't let those donuts go to waste.
But we won't. We'll eat them. He'll eat them, I promise you.
Hey, nobody cares about a black man's feelings at all. Let me show you how Canada does it. Ready? Watch this.
Wait, the wrong arm.
Y'all ain't got on that. Y'all ain't ready for that. You know what I'm saying? Look.
There.
Hey, she was throwing up the little native gang signs. She got tattoos.
Scottish.
Right, you guessed it. I'm looking busted. I said.
You look rough as hell. Oh, I brought you this.
Stupid, dude.
That fool beat your ass. That fool right there.
Hey girl, you hungry?
Brother, yeah, your boy looks terrible, but I'm still handsome. I'm handsome.
Scottish. Hey, representing
Oh,
Scotland.
you want to see native dancing? Oh, because I do dance powwow. Let's see.
Hey, hold on. Here, hold this. That was a native twerk. You know what I mean? Yeah, he's like,
Hey, what?
trying to ease into it. She was like, and after she was like, pop it, pop it.
Wait,
pop it,
wait.
Pop it.
Wait.
Yeah. What?
That's the native twerk.
We starting off the event bad because these security guards right here threatened to beat me up. You know what I mean? That one right here.
Especially me.
See?
And I'm gonna help the security guard. There you go.
You know, I can hear you, right? I'm right here. I can catch you on that bike. Like, hey, even though I'm black, I probably got black all over my face from the. Send help. Send help. Bow.
Wait,
Why is she here?
give me your money.
That wasn't believable.
That wasn't? Brace yourself.
I'm talking. Can I talk to my people?
You drove right this
Damn.
You drove down this alley to get here, correct?
Yeah.
Okay, how you not see my car? How could you miss this thing? You should be looking for it like.
Yeah. What? All right.
Continue with your outro.
Anyway, I do appreciate you guys watching my channel. Big Daniel, Import Life Media, and I already got a headache dealing with all the people behind me. You see them irritating me. Damn. Guess what happened? That's right, you guessed it. Oh yeah.
Shut up.
Yeah. She's awake. Look at her putting her face together. She's happy. Boom. So it went from 3 to 4. Oh my God, we're back. We're whole again. Hey, hold on, wait. Hey, why'd you turn the camera when I was popping it, dog? Check this out. There's people out there named Will, but they won't.
8299 is not available. Please leave a message at the tone. When finished, you may hang up or press pound for additional options.
Cool. I guarantee her sister is gonna say something nice, pleasant, and so positive. Watch this.
Say something nice.
Hi, I hope you have a great evening today.
Oh,
Get the fuck out of my face, dog.
Hey, what up, man? Hey, I just want to tell you guys something real quick. More than anything, your boy's handsome. Your boy. It's not even on you, boo. It's on me. It's on me. Can I get back to feeling myself? Look at this. Look at this. You know what I mean? Look at this. Okay, I got you. Affliction? Gotcha. Oh, you know what I'm saying? Hey, rolling on 8s. You ain't seen that. You ain't seen that.
You're speechless? My God.
I have a lot to say. It's just it wasn't really coming out. It wasn't. Hey, are you guys not happy with what you've seen so far? So,
Equal like you.
please help me. Nah, please like, subscribe, and if you have Instagram, make sure you have me on Instagram on Import Life Media. All right.
Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe.
All right, I'm out, y'all. All a burp is just a backwards fart. Holla at y'all.